Bullish torrential slide. Avax cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $60.02 and $113.36 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $46.68 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $10.67. Torrential slide. Avax presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a practical contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends in research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Avax. Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for disseminated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to expel Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for savvy contracts. While keeping up with versatility, it means to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Unified Byzantine Understanding (FBA). FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like evidence of work (POW) and confirmation of stake (POS). Torrential slide likewise has a special component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide. Avax current value. Torrential slide is right now worth $13.34 United States dollars. Avax has moved 4.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $176,169,240. Torrential slide is presently positioned 18 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $4,601,927,687 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide. Avax. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous torrential slide. Avax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Torrential slide. Avax value expectation. 2023 torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Avax. The Avax cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $20.01. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $18.67 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $16. Torrential slide. Avax value expectation. 2024 out of 2024. Torrential slide. Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $33.34. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Avax's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $26.67 and a typical exchanging cost of $29.34. Torrential slide. Avax value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $46.68, and Avax might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $42.68. and a low of $40.01 in 2025. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2026. In the event that torrential slide effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $60.02, with a base cost of $53.35 and a typical cost of $56.02. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $69.35 by 2027, with a base cost of $66.68 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Avax has a most extreme value worth of $73.35. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $82.69. In the event that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $86.69, neglecting to accumulate the help Avax needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $80.02. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2029. While Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $93.36 and a yearly cost close above $100.03 in 2029. Torrential slide Avax value forecast 2030 by 2030. Torrential slide will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $106.70 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $113.36, averaging out at $109.36. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Avax cost in 2031 is projected to be $130.70 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $125.37. And generally, torrential slide appears to be an extremely encouraging undertaking with a ton of possibilities. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi